The AUTEL MaxiCheck MX808 is the most affordable combination of all systems diagnostics and advanced service functions in one Android-based 7-inch touchscreen tablet tool. Featuring quick access to vehicle systems, this pro-level service tool is faster and more powerful to enable smarter repairs. Featuring all the performance from a high-end scan tablet, the MX808 utilizes an Android 4.4 operating system for easy navigation and Wi-Fi access for easier software updates. The 1.6 GHz quad-core processor and 32 GB solid-state drive provide quick and responsive diagnostics for busy technicians. The 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures the tablet will perform for up to 7 hours of continuous work on a single charge when disconnected. The MaxiCheck MX808 offers time-saving features found in AUTEL's higher-end MaxiSys tools, like the one-touch AutoVIN vehicle identification and AutoScan to quickly detect faults in any vehicle system. The MX808 also comes with all MaxiSys suite applications, like MaxiFix to access cloud-based repair tips, Shop Manager to organize all types of repair data, data logging to record project errors, and discuss with tech support using the Remote Support app for remote login access to your device. Compatible with domestic, Asian, and European vehicles 1996 and newer, the MX808 goes far beyond simply communicating with basic systems to access all available modules in all systems. User-friendly protocol menus enable technicians to access all modules in all systems and perform diagnostics like IM readiness status, onboard monitor and component testing, then analyze complex fault information by reviewing freeze frame and live data to assess project solutions. Technicians can easily choose any service function like oil reset service, diesel particulate filter, electronic parking brake and battery management system to complete multiple projects faster, and follow clear and precise instructions to perform complex services like throttle adjustment or TPMS sensor ECU relearn. The MX808 is an easy-to-use tablet with an extensive menu of features, providing the ideal service tool for busy technicians looking to improve shop efficiency. If you have questions about your tool features, the 1 year of free update, or how to register to perform updates, please contact tech support or visit the autel.com website. Thank you for being a valued AUTEL customer.